Hey friends, ever wonder what's inside these big metal buildings you see all over Central Texas? I see a lot of them. Usually it's just a shop full of stuff. Every once in a while, it's something pretty cool. Let's go check this one out. Welcome to our home gym. Like I said, I see a lot of these metal buildings all over Central Texas, and I'm always so curious about what's inside. So I thought today I'd bring you inside mine. Pro tip for all you stay-at-home parents: find a home that has a home gym space, because this has been a game changer for us. I'll show you around a little bit and talk about why it's so great. Okay, so right inside the door, we of course have Logan's bed and Mike's desk office space. Right next to the door is where all the shoes live. So this is the most genius use of this little peg thing. So we can put all of our shoes hanging there, and they're all up off the floor, out of the way. Can write workouts or motivation on this whiteboard. Stool to sit down and put your shoes on. Of course, we have a water cooler and a coffee maker. And then we have a full set of dumbbells up to 75 pounds. And of course, Logan Capital colors, red. Up here we have our max board and this cool wall hanging station for all of our grips and belts and bands and chalk and those weird smelling things. And it's hooked to hold bars and hats and heart rate monitor. And squat rack number 1. Got the pull-up bar on it. We've got all of our bumper plates hanging here. Kenzie's bar, middle, and then our guest wall. So anyone who graces the gym with their presence gets to sign our guest wall. So we love that. Over here is the functional trainer. So it's just what it sounds like. It's a super functional trainer. If you have questions on any of these products, let me know in the comments and we'll let you know what they are, where we got them. My bar, because why wouldn't I have a pink bar? And then the wall organizer with all the adapters for the functional trainer. Another mirror. Another curl bar and some of the smaller, not bumper plates, and then these micro weights. They're just like smaller weights, so when you're going up in weight but not very much, you can use those. The leg curl and extension machine. Over here we have TV number 2 and Mike's Stages bike. So instead of having his bike on a trainer all the time in here, he can just use this, and other people can use it too, because it can change positions and all that fun stuff. The mini split system up there keeps this place really temperature controlled. So when it's cold, it's warm in here, and when it's hot, it stays pretty cool. This is my bike, SoulCycle bike. Love this. Turn the lights on in here, turn it up as loud as it goes, and I basically am in a SoulCycle class. And then over here is the treadmill. So, and Roomba to keep the gym clean. So that is pretty much it. The entire floor is the rolled rubber flooring, so it makes it super nice to train in here. You can drop things and not break them. Been in this space about a year we're just super happy with how it turned out and everything it allows us to do, to spend time as a family, getting in our daily movement in our backyard. So thanks for joining me today on this tour of our metal building.